How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be walking you through my most recent version of the way I have my active trader set up, the way I day trade options, the screen I'm watching. Keep in mind, I do have other screens up around me that have my charts, but as always, before we get started, be sure you subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Let's get right to this. First off, to get to this screen, this is Think or Swim, by the way, by TD Ameritrade. This is what I day trade options on, and this is by far the quickest setup I have found to trade options. So I have 6 boxes selected. The top 3 I have my active traders in. The bottom 3 I have charts in. I have the 1-minute time frame pulled up on a different monitor. On these same stocks I'm watching, I have the 5-minute up as well. In each one of these active traders, I have the options pulled up for the stock I'm watching for the levels that are on my watch list. Okay, for this instance, I have Walmart calls pulled up for a bounce that we took today. Called this out on voice inside Team Bull. We got in this trade for $92 per contract, sold a little bit above $100 per contract. A nice scalp, roughly a 10% return, a little bit over, which is okay. Perfect for a scalp. I have the Tesla calls over here. When I took Tesla bounce, another trade I called out over voice and Team Bull. I had the snow puts here for a level that was on my watch list. I didn't take this entry personally. I was already on a swing in that. Trimmed that swing, did really nicely on that. But I'll give you all a solid recap tomorrow. I just want to show you this setup. For those of you, you're probably saying, okay, this is active trader. I know how to trade shares, but I don't understand how he gets the options in there. Very simple, okay? If you want to look at shares, say if I want to see, say I just want to see Walmart shares, you tap the ticker, Walmart's ticker in here, and it pulls up the shares in here. But now, that's only for trading shares. Now, if you want to get the options in there, what you do, you click down, you come up to options, click options here, then you tap it in the ticker in here that you want to see the options on, and then it pulls up the options. You have calls on the left, puts on the right. You have the different expirations, as you can see here. You can change how many strike prices you can see. So if you only want to see 4, it's going to narrow it down for you. Now if you want to select this 133 call option on Walmart, you simply click it. Now it's in here. Now you can trade it. I do have another video on this called the TOS Active Trader Setup if you want to check that out. It goes more in depth on how to set this up like I have it here. One new thing I have done since that video, I started selling. I joined the ask to sell if the trade, if the trade's moving nicely, it's not too wild or, out of control. I'll join the ask when I'm going to sell. It gives me a much better feel than trying to sell the bid or selling market. Something new I added to my trading style recently. Now, a couple other things I want to point out. First off, you're probably like, Grizzly, how did you get your P&L over here on your options? It's really simple. You just click this little gear icon here in the corner. You go to customize. You just get your P&L, double click it, or just click it and put, or just move it over here manually and press OK. It will add it in a column so you can see how much you're making during the trade at any given time. Another thing I like to point out to people that's new to this trading platform or new to trading options or new to active trader. Be sure if if you're scalping or day trading, you want to have this auto send checked. Because if you do not, once you click buy, you're going to have to confirm through another screen, and it's not very efficient. You need to be able to, as soon as you click buy, you need to be in that trade if you're trying to get in, get in for a fast scalp or, a bounce, whatever it may be. Now, I got buy market, join the ask, sell market. If you want to edit this, it's going to look differently when you first open this up. So you come here to this gear icon. You can do all that here. If you don't like to order these in, you can always just move them around. However, just drag it up and down. This is personally how I like it, but pretty much sums up all I wanted to show you on this video. Something you can play around with. I have found that just repetition and just taking the time to go through this is the best way to learn it. And that goes for day trading in general. Repetition is key, I feel. But pretty much sums up this video. If you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. I'm always here to help you all. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching, and I will see you next time.